Hello friends, I hope all of you are doing well. So let's discuss the given question here. If x equal to a cos theta and y equal to b sin theta, then d2y by dx square at theta equal to pi by 4. So guys, to solve this question we use the key concept, that is nothing but the second order derivative. Second order derivative. Okay. So how we solve this? Just write down the given, that is x equal to a into cos theta. So differentiate with respect to theta, dx by d theta equal to how much? Minus a into sin theta. Call this equation number 1. Similarly, what is the y, guys? Y equal to b into sin theta. So differentiate with respect to theta, dy by d theta equal to b into cos theta. Call this equation number 2. So what is the dy by dx, guys? Dy by dx will be dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. So substitute the values, guys. So what will be the answer? Dy by d theta will be b into cos theta upon minus a into sin theta. Sin theta. So what will be the simplification, guys? This is the dy by dx equal to minus b upon a into cot of theta. Call this equation number 3. But guys, we want the second order derivative, right? Second order derivative. So that means d2y by dx square equal to minus b upon a as it is into cot theta derivative will be the minus cosec square of theta into theta derivative will be the d theta by dx. So substitute the values, guys. d2y by dx square equal to minus becomes plus b by a into cosec square of theta whole divided by dx by d theta. Dx by d theta value will be the minus a into sin theta. So just try to solve this. So guys, that becomes d2y by dx square equal to minus b upon a square into that 1 by sin will be goes to the numerator, it becomes cosec cube of theta. Cosec cube theta. So guys, we want that d2y by dx square at x, that theta equal to how much? Pi by 4? Yes. So substitute the theta equal to pi by 4. It becomes minus b upon a square into cosec cube of pi by 4. So what is the value of cosec pi by 4? Guys, cosec cube is nothing but the minus b upon a square into root 2 bracket cube. So guys, your final answer will be minus 2 root 2 into b upon a square, and this will be your final answer, that is d2y by dx square. Just mark it by using the red pen, so you will understand. So this will be your final answer, minus 2 root 2 into b by a square. So let's check which option is correct one. Minus how much? Minus 2 root 2 into b upon a square. That means option number C will be the correct answer, guys. I hope everybody is understood. So thank you so much. Have a nice day.